Hello friends, in this video we are going to file income tax return 1. Okay, in case if you are confused that which form is applicable to you, you should watch my another video in which I explained different forms and in which case which form is to be filled. Okay, so let's start the video. First, we will go at eportal.incometax.gov.in. I will give the link in the description. Okay, then we will enter our 11-digit PAN number at this place and enter your user ID. After that we will press continue. After that we will click this checkbox and enter our password here. After that press continue. Then this will open. Here the e-file option is there. We will click it here. After clicking there, income tax return drop down will open, and when you will move your cursor at income tax return, these options will open, and the very first option is in file income tax return. So we'll click it. After that this will open. Here it is asking for assessment year, and here it is asking for mode of filing. So we will file at online mode. For the select assessment year, we will select the current assessment year, that is 2022-23, and the mode of filing is online. Then after that press continue. Here it is to file a fresh income tax return, start new filing. So press start new filing. After that it is asking for the whether you are individual or HUF. Then click at individual. If you are individual, then continue. After that we have to choose a ITR form. So we are going to fill ITR 1. Which ITR form is applicable to you? If you want to know that, you can check my another video. I will give the link in the description. Okay. After that, click it here. Proceed with ITR 1. After selecting ITR 1, click it here. Then this will open. So click at let's get started. So it is here asking that are you filing the income tax return for any of the following reason. That we have to give the reason why we are filing this return. So our income is more than the basic exemption limit, so we choose this option. And then after that click at continue. And this will open that it is saying that we have pre-filled your return based on information available with the department. Okay. So that is our return is pre-filled already. So we just have to check it, and if any change is required, then we will change it and edit it. Okay. So this will open to you personal. It is personal information, GTI, total income, total deduction. So very first we can only go at personal information option because other options are blocked as of now. We cannot go there. So after choosing personal information, this will open here. Here our detail is the name, date of birth, Aadhaar number. Here is our contact detail. If you want to edit it, you can click it here and edit your address, phone number, email ID. Here it is asking for nature of employment. Okay, so nature of employment, different options are available for us. Like if you are central government employee, if you are state government employee, if you are PSU, if you are employer PSU, if you are CG pensioner, means central government pensioners. Likewise, if you are SD pensioners, or if you are PSU pensioner, other pensioners, others, and for not applicable for those like who are not getting any salary but getting family pension. So in our case, we will are selecting public sector undertaking. Okay, filing section. So we are filing under section 139 subsection 1. That is, we are filing within the due date, or on the due date. Okay, after that it is asking for, are you opting for new tax regime? So we are not opting for that, so I choose no. I will make another video for section 115 PSC, and I will explain the difference between the old tax regime and the new tax regime. Okay, here we will fill our bank details. My bank detail is already pre-filled. If you want to add any more bank detail, you can click it here at add another. Okay, then you have to enter your bank account number, IFSC code, bank name, branch code. Okay, and you have to select one of your account for refund purpose. Yes, sir. So I have selected this, and I have only this one account, so I have selected this. And after that, press confirm. Okay, so when you confirmed it, you get the green tick here, and it is written as confirmed. And after that, the another options available for another option is open for us, that is gross total income. So we will go at gross total income. You can see that our gross GTI is already pre-filled. Here it is asking for salary exemption, like exemption regarding cost of travel, cost to or transfer, special compensatory allowances, HRA, LTA, different allowances, and it is asking for, are you eligible for this exemption or that exemption. Okay, so you can either click yes if you are eligible for it, or you get these allowances, or you can directly click at skip the questions. Like in my case, I'm going to click this skip the question, and it is asking from me that it is recommended to fill these questions so that it gets easier for you to file the tax return. Okay, but I skipped the question. You can also do that the same. However, you can also go for the yes no, and similarly different bar will open, and you have to just fill the details. Okay, so income from salary. So after that, after clicking continue, these detail will open. Income from salary, we get these much of salary, we get deduction amount is these, and the income chargeable under the head salary is this. Income from house property is this, zero. Income from other sources is this. Okay, so there is, we can see that there is an option of edit. There is an option of edit, so we can, if we want to edit these options, like if you think that salary is not appropriate, is not fully mentioned here, then you can change it by clicking the edit option. Okay, so when you will click edit, and this will open, that your salary, income, your perquisite, profit in lieu of salary, income from retirement benefit maintained in a notified country. Okay, notified countries are USA, UK, Canada. So I'm not getting any of the retirement benefit from these, so I just deleted this option. Okay, as it is asking for confirmation, so I just click yes, and here it is asking for different allowances. Okay, look, I didn't look, if you select this, you will if you get any of these allowances, these assistance from your employer, then you have to put the amount of the assistance you get. Like here it is retirement, death cum retirement gratuity received, commuted value of pension received, whatever you received. If you have received, you have to put the amount here. I didn't receive any of these, so I just deleted all these by this delete option, and it is asking for the confirmation to delete. I just click yes. After that, this will open. Sorry, after that, it is asking for the reduction. So the reduction amount is already pre-filled. Standard deduction 50,000 available to all for the same amount. Professional tax 1875. If you want to change this professional tax amount, you can change it. If you want to change this standard deduction, you cannot, because it is same for all. So income chargeable under the head salaries after the deduction is 782,761. After that, you have to go for the save option. Okay. If you get any income from the house property, you have to click here, add or edit details of the breakup. and put the value of your income there. And here it is asking for income from other sources. So whatever your income from other sources, you can just check it from the pre-filled, or if there is not pre-filled, then you have to add it. So add option is here. Okay, you can just click it, add another, and you can add the, and after that you have to just confirm it. So it is, after the confirmation, it also get the green tick, and the another option is now open for us, that is total deduction. Okay, so we'll click here, and it is asking for the it is asking that are you eligible to claim any deduction for donation paid, like whatever the donation you had paid, whatever the donation paid you have paid for scientific research and development, whatever the donation you had paid for ATGG or ATGG. So if you donated any of the for any of these, then you should press yes, or otherwise, or you can directly come at the down and directly skip the question if you didn't give any of these donations. And here it is asking for the different deductions and different, sorry, here it is asking for the our contribution for the pension contribution to the pension scheme of central government and other expenses that we had done. Okay, like ATDD, ATDDB. So if you contributed any of the amount from in these pension scheme, then you can, then you have to enter your details here. For before that, you have to click this checkbox. So after pressing I skip all these questions and directly press the continue. Okay, so here it is, my ATC deductions are there, my ATD deductions are here, which is 0. And however, there is an option for edit, so I will edit it. Okay, after edit ATC deductions, here it is showing the pre-filled value is 1,10,996. However, I invested more in ATC, so I will put that amount. However, the upper limit is only 1,50,000, so I will get the deduction of only 1,50,000. Okay, then press save option. Likewise, we can also edit ATT here. For the first question is whether you or any of your family member is a senior citizen, excluding parents. Okay, if your spouse or your children is senior citizen, sorry, if your spouse is senior citizen, then you should opt here yes. Or if you don't want to claim it, so then you can choose the option of not claiming for self or family. Okay, and if your family is and if your parents is senior citizen, and if you want to claim ATD for your senior citizen for the expenses incurred on your parents, then you should select, then you should answer the second question, that is whether any of your parent is senior citizen. Here we have selected yes. Here, and this opened for us, like parents including senior citizen, what expenses are allowed: health insurance, preventive health checkup, medical expenditure. Okay, so expenditure incurred on these, you can enter that, and higher deduction and the higher limit for the senior for the deduction, if there is a senior citizen, it is 50,000. So as you can see that I claimed 65,000, but I got only 50,000. After that, click save. Here ATG deduction, TTA deduction, ATGG deduction, and if you want to claim deduction under section 80D and this option is not opened, like in my case, then you have to select yes, where it was asking that are you eligible for claim deduction under this and this, under this section or that section. Then you have to check, click yes or tick the box. Then this bar will open. In most of the cases, you have to enter TTA, like we all get saving bank interest on saving bank accounts. So here you have to enter your interest amount, whatever you get, and the eligible deduction will come. The amount for eligible deduction will come automatically. The higher limit is 10,000, and after that you have to click add. So the total deduction amount is 260,495, and if you want to again see the details, you can just click at the show details. Then this will open. After that, press confirm. Now it is confirmed. Now the another option is open, that is tax paid. You have to click it here. Here how it is. Well, the first option is details of tax deducted at source. Tax deducted at source from income other than salary 16C, that is TDS on rent, TCS, tax collected at source, or any tax or advance tax or self-assessment tax that you paid, it will come here. And if it not come, you have to enter it. Okay. So in my case, detail of tax deducted at source is 50920. Okay, we will go at this option, show details. And if you want to edit it, you can just click this check box. After that, an edit option will enable like this, and after that you can edit it by pressing this here. The amount income chargeable under salary is this, and the total tax deducted this. Okay, if you want to change it, you can change it. After that, you have to press save. Accordingly, for others too. After that, you have to confirm it. Now the total tax liability is 17,801. Okay. So the total income after deduction is 523080. The tax amount is this, and the cess amount is 4% cess is this. The total tax and cess this. There is no relief under section 89A for me as of now because I didn't get any arrear salary or advance salary. Interest under 2348 to 3B, nothing, zero, because I did all the things in the within time. After that, the total tax fee and interest is 17,801. After that, press confirm. Here it is confirmed. After that, please click proceed. Then this will open. If you want to print it, download it, you can do it. Come down and click at preview return. Okay, you must check this. The total tax paid, total the tax is this much, and the refund amount is this. Okay, so this will open. Here your name is, your father name is, and you have to opt for self here if you are filing the return through your own self, and I want that you should file your return through your own self. Okay, so after that, click this checkbox here, self, then go to proceed to preview, click it here. Then this will open if you want. After that, came down, click at proceed to validation. It is validating, but in our case we got a error. What is the error? The error is we didn't mention our country. Okay, so we have to mention our country. We just have to click it here, and it will take at the place where we have to mention our country details. Okay, like here the address detail, we have to mention it at the very first page. We will mention our country, pin code, town, state. Okay, these all will be mentioned, and after that we have to mention our area or locality, whatever your area or locality is. After that, press save. Then this very first page is now open. Just go at the confirm option. This will open. You just have to just check it, and after that press preview, return. After that, go for proceed to preview. For that, you have must tick this checkbox. This will open. Download or return. Just go down. Here it is. Proceed to validation. Okay. Now our validation is successful. Now it is asking for the proceed to verification. So we will click it here, and this will open. Complete your verification through e-verify, e-verify now, e-verify later, e-verify via ITR5. Okay. So it is recommended to e-verify now. You will get an OTP in your Aadhaar registered mobile, and you have to mention. You have to first for that you have to click it here and press continue. Then it will ask that whatever how you want to e-verify your return, like from through Aadhaar, OTP, or pre-validated bank account, or pre-validated demat account. So it is advisable to go for this option via Aadhaar OTP. It is much easy. And then after choosing this option, you will get an OTP. Okay, and enter that OTP and press the continue option there, and your return will be filed and e-verified. And if you don't want to verify by your own self and want to send your ITR5 to department, then you will have to choose this option. And if you want, and if you cannot e-verify now, then you have to go for this option, e-verify later, and you have to e-verify within 120 days of submission. After that, press continue. Your return is filled. So thanks friends for being with me and watching the full process of filing return. Okay, for any query you can contact me this, or you can WhatsApp me at this. Okay, any query related to tax or tax audit for filing of return, or if you want any video or regarding any other section, anything else, you can just comment me or you can message me. Thanks friend. You can also contact me for tax audits, tax details. If you have any questions, then okay, thanks, bye.